Kendrick Johnson's body was found in a school basketball gym, y'all, wrapped up in between some mats, right? His body, his organs were replaced with newspaper. Nobody can explain what happened. What's going on, y'all? It's AyooTravv and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I have a lot of food right here. Let me start off by telling y'all to check the description box below for everybody part of the Epic Empire. I'm about to say grace and I'm going to tell you everything I got. Father God, I come to you today to ask that you watch over this food. Please let it be a nourishment to my body. Please let me digest this food properly. In your name I pray. Amen, amen. One more time. Amen. Y'all, this is Hattie Marie's barbecue here in Georgia. If y'all are ever in town, please make sure y'all check them out. It looked good. Now, I had this one time before, but it was when I was sick, and I threw it up right afterwards. But that had nothing to do with their cooking. My body just couldn't handle so much food. But I got a beef dino rib, y'all. Do y'all see how big this? Ooh, do y'all see how big that is? Jesus Christ. I got some wings, y'all know, a little chicken. I got some beef brisket. I have pulled pork that I'm going to put on this sandwich. I got 2 sides of mac and cheese. I got collard greens. I got potatoes. I'm going to start with this rib, y'all. And I'm just going to drench the... Ooh. Y'all, they gave me extra barbecue sauce, but I dropped it in the bag. So it just literally wasted everywhere. And I was sick to my stomach. Because... y'all know I like a lot of sauce. Sauce. How do you eat this thing, y'all? Y'all, it come right off the bone. I know I got stuff in my face. This is good. Hattie Marrie. This is good. So big, y'all. I don't know what about it. Y'all see that? I don't know how they cook this, but this is this right here. Heaven sent. I'm gonna try these wings. Oh, they're good too. Oh, and dropped it. Okay. It was nice and cheesy. I can't stand no dry mac and cheese. Y'all, these greens is good. I'm having the This was a good decision. The potato salad is okay. It's not a favorite. It's not a favorite. But it's still good. I'll see all that meat. This is good. This is definitely some food. It tastes so good to make you want to slap your mama. Y'all seen that from what was it, Friday After Next? Woo! Try this pulled pork, but let me try this brisket first. Excuse me. I want to give you I should ask for cheese for my sandwich. Y'all, shout out to, I met a group of people while we were all waiting to get our food. They're from Pennsylvania. Some of them are from Pennsylvania, some are from DC, I believe. One girl named is Ab Styles. Y'all check her out. She's an up and coming YouTuber. She was so sweet, y'all. She was like, you know, I know people, she asked me to subscribe to the channel, and she was like, I know people charge for like a shout out or something. I was like, that's not me. She'd be like, but I'm a small page. I was a small page. So y'all make sure y'all check out Ab Styles. Check her out, check her out, check her out. Oh, that wasn't a good bite. Remove that bread from right now. I do it that way. Is that a good bite for y'all? Oh. That pulled pork is a hit. It just needs cheese. The slice of cheese. I will go get some, but I feel like if I need a man, so I'll be like, hey, can you give me some cheese? Instead, I'm over here by my lonesome. No, I'm going to get it myself, though. I've been missing out on cheese. That sucker was good. It was right here, though. This dino rib. Y'all look. Just look at it. So good. This is a lot of meat, y'all. It's making me full just thinking about it. And it's right here in my face. Bon appetit. What time is it? I don't know what time I started filming. What we have at the time, y'all? We good. We sure a lot more time. But y'all, I know what I want to talk about. Let me pull it up in my phone. Because this was some crazy stuff when I read this. And I just want y'all to know that. Hold up. So, I just want to make sure. All right. Make sure my phone don't cut off. So, Kendrick Johnson, his body was found. This was years ago. How many years ago was this? I believe it was 7. 6 years ago? Something like that. I can't remember. Kendrick Johnson's body was found in a school basketball gym, y'all. Wrapped up in between some mats, right? And nobody can explain what happened. Then when it's time for autopsies and funerals and things like that, his body, his organs were replaced with newspaper. And, you know, they did an investigation and they labeled it as suicide. Now, I'm not the brightest crayon in the box, but I don't think somebody can replace their insides with newspapers themselves unless somebody else did it for them after they're dead. So, all this time it's been swept under the rug. I don't want to show y'all pictures because they're really graphic. But apparently somebody has come forth and, mind you, they looked at all the surveillance footage in the gym and things like that, and you can tell that it was compromised because stuff wasn't flowing. There was like a whole period of time where you can see Kendrick in the gym, boom, now you see 30 other people in the gym. So everybody know there's somewhere in between that time, something was done to that man. But those cameras were altered, so we don't know. So, someone came forward. And says, he know who did it. This is recently. I just seen a post yesterday. Allegedly, one of his friends' brothers did it. And so he's saying that they were having a heated discussion in a gym over the guy's girlfriend. And the guy, Caucasian football player, Kendrick Johnson, young black male. So apparently the guy grabbed some object and hit him. and it knocked him out. So, according to these papers, the guy, calls his dad. His dad know people that know people that know people that know people. They ultimately were able to get they edited the video. That's what the document says. They removed and replaced his organs with newspapers and stuff, so it could kind of preserve the body, so it'd be hard for them to tell the time of death. That's what these documents say. What else? Oh, apparently he hit him in the head with a 45-pound weight. The guy was doing the paperwork, said that the guy had been doing, some type of testosterone pills or steroids or something like that. So, now my thing is, there's a lot of fat right here. My thing, y'all, do y'all think we dumb? Do y'all, what is really up? Because if y'all see the photos of Kendrick Johnson, which y'all can Google, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, however you want to find it, I'm just choosing not to because they're graphic. If y'all see the photos, you're going to be like, what? If you see the photos of the way that Kendrick's body was clearly damaged, those wounds, those marks, contusions, whatever, were not self-inflicted. There's no way, Jose, that those could have been self-inflicted. And how would he roll himself up in a mat? How did he replace his own organs with newspaper? Why was the footage from the gym where he was last seen alive edited and compromised? Why, oh why? If he did it himself, why did all those things happen? Or how did all those things happen if he did it himself? Y'all be saying the media say crazy stuff and y'all want us to believe it. What's that old saying? I was born on a day, but not today or yesterday. It would take a fool. A fool. How many fools would it take to believe that story? Let's put it that way. I don't know what y'all talking about. And y'all do know that what's done in the dark will come to light. So somebody knows what happened to Kendrick. Somebody's going to tell the truth. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm getting full. This was a lot of meat. I probably could just did the dino by itself. I really want y'all to be careful, be mindful, be cautious. There really are evil people in this world that will take you out and not think twice about it. And one evil person knows another evil person and knows another evil person that will allow that evil person to do what they did, cover up what they did. It's all one just big evil circle. One is going to do this. The other one going to help them get away with this. This one going to celebrate this. They all evil. I told y'all before, the devil, he walks on earth. The devil walks on earth. Y'all think he downstairs? No, he your next door neighbor. Y'all think he downstairs? No, it's your husband. No, it's your wife. No, it's your best friend. All right, out. All right, y'all, I'm full. What I'm not going to do is fake the funk. I'm full. I'm full. Fully in. How we sitting on time? We're doing good. Y'all, excuse me. I always get mad when I run out of water. That really ticks me off. This water be so good. Be so good. But anyway, y'all already know to check out Hattie Marrie's barbecue if you are in Atlanta, Georgia. Let them know AyooTravv sent you. Y'all, the food was good. Make sure I ain't got nothing on my face. The food was good. As you can see, I'm stuffed. And this big old dino rib. Imagine eating this. I pretty much ate it all, y'all, because most of this is fat. But other than that, y'all already know to check the description box below for everybody part of the Empire. Let them know AyooTravv sent you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do that. Hit that bell next to it right there. Boom. So you'll be notified every time I drop a video. But if you want to stay connected to AyooTravv, jump back into the description. Scroll down to the bottom. Brrr, boom. Go see my social media. Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. All that. Y'all already know. Add me. Follow me. Leave me a comment on Instagram. Leave me a DM on Instagram. Leave me a comment here. Do whatever. Let me know what's like, what's don't like, what's want to see, what don't see, what's want to say, what don't say, what's want me, what's don't me, all the jazz on those. Other than that, it's been real. AyooTravv is out. Peace.